What makes a genius? Is talent simply the result of practice, or do some individuals have fundamentally different brain structures and functions? Neuroscientists are exploring how the brains of gifted individuals, whether in music, mathematics, athletics, or problem solving, differ from the average brain. Studies using MRI and EEG scans reveal that highly talented individuals often have unique neural wiring, including greater connectivity between brain regions, enhanced processing speed, and more efficient use of cognitive resources. For example, research has shown that prodigies in mathematics tend to have increased activity in the prefrontal cortex and parietal lobes, areas associated with logical reasoning and numerical processing. In contrast, musical prodigies often display highly developed auditory and motor regions, allowing them to process and execute complex compositions at an early age. Interestingly, the brains of gifted individuals may also function differently at rest. Some studies suggest that they exhibit more default mode network activity, a brain state linked to creativity and deep thinking. Additionally, certain talented individuals show asymmetries in hemispheric dominance. For example, many creative geniuses exhibit stronger right hemisphere activation, which is linked to divergent thinking and pattern recognition. But is talent purely a matter of brain structure, or does intensive training and practice also shape these neural markers over time? Studies on neuroplasticity suggest that while some individuals may have a biological advantage, training can rewire the brain to enhance cognitive abilities. Could this research lead to new ways of identifying and cultivating talent? If we understand the brain's role in giftedness, could we develop better educational and training methods to unlock hidden potential in more people? Studies using MRI and diffusion tensor imaging, DTI, reveal that highly talented individuals often exhibit enhanced white matter connectivity, particularly in the corpus callosum, which facilitates faster interhemispheric communication. Increased cortical thickness and regional gray matter volume in areas related to cognitive control, memory, and creativity suggest a neuroanatomical basis for exceptional abilities. These structural differences provide the neural infrastructure for heightened information processing speed and cognitive efficiency. Mathematically gifted individuals show increased gray matter volume in the intraparietal sulcus, a key region for numerical cognition. A gifted brain is like an upgraded supercomputer with more processing power and faster data transfer between components. fMRI studies indicate that gifted individuals have more efficient functional connectivity between brain regions involved in higher-order cognition, particularly the default mode network, DMN, and the executive control network, ECN. This enhanced connectivity allows them to rapidly switch between deep analytical thinking and spontaneous creativity, facilitating advanced problem-solving and innovation. The ability to integrate multiple brain networks efficiently results in superior learning, reasoning, and adaptability. Prodigies in music and mathematics exhibit stronger synchrony between the prefrontal cortex and posterior brain regions, supporting both focused attention and divergent thinking. The gifted brain functions like a well-orchestrated symphony where different instruments communicate seamlessly to create exceptional performances. Myelin, the insulating sheath around neurons, plays a crucial role in the speed of neural transmission, and highly talented individuals often exhibit superior myelination in key cognitive pathways. Faster signal transmission enhances working memory, information recall, and rapid problem-solving, contributing to the extraordinary mental agility seen in gifted individuals. This increased neural efficiency allows them to process complex information more quickly than the average population. Chess grandmasters show increased myelination in the parietal lobes, supporting their ability to visualize multiple moves ahead with minimal cognitive effort. Enhanced myelination is like upgrading an internet connection from dial-up to fiber optic, enabling near instantaneous data transfer. Gifted individuals demonstrate heightened neuroplasticity, allowing their brains to form and strengthen new neural connections more efficiently in response to learning experiences. This adaptability contributes to their ability to master complex skills at a faster rate and excel in diverse intellectual domains. The combination of plasticity and cognitive control supports both creative flexibility and deep expertise. Studies show that young prodigies in music develop structural changes in the auditory and motor cortices faster than their non-gifted peers. A highly talented brain is like a clay sculpture that remains flexible, allowing continuous refinement and improvement over time. Dopamine, a neurotransmitter linked to reward processing and motivation, plays a significant role in the exceptional drive and focus of gifted individuals. Increased dopaminergic activity in the prefrontal cortex and striatum enhances goal-directed behavior, allowing them to persist through challenges and achieve mastery in their chosen fields. This neurochemical advantage may explain the intense passion and perseverance often observed in highly talented individuals. Scientists studying polymorphisms in the dopamine receptor gene DRD4 have found associations between heightened dopamine signaling and high intellectual performance. Gifted individuals have a built-in turbocharger, allowing them to sustain motivation and effort for extended periods. Working memory, the brain's ability to temporarily store and manipulate information, is significantly more robust in highly talented individuals. They can juggle multiple ideas simultaneously, allowing for complex reasoning and creative synthesis of new concepts. This expanded cognitive workspace enables them to tackle intricate problems with greater efficiency and insight. Research has shown that elite problem solvers, such as theoretical physicists, exhibit superior working memory capacity in prefrontal cortex activity scans. A gifted brain is like a high-performance multitasking computer that processes multiple programs seamlessly without lag. Studies suggest that gifted individuals may exhibit atypical patterns of brain lateralization, meaning they use both hemispheres more efficiently depending on task demands. In creative fields, stronger right hemisphere activation supports artistic and musical talents, while in logical disciplines, enhanced left hemisphere integration fosters analytical prowess. This optimized interhemispheric communication enhances versatility and depth of expertise. Musicians who started training early often develop a more symmetrical brain, balancing analytical and creative thinking. A highly talented brain is like a hybrid vehicle that can switch between electric and gasoline power depending on the driving conditions. Gifted individuals often experience hyperconnectivity where sensory and cognitive pathways are more densely interconnected, leading to heightened perception and rapid integration of information. This may result in increased sensitivity to patterns, enhanced auditory processing, and even synesthetic experiences where multiple senses intertwine. The heightened sensory processing can contribute to extraordinary creativity and intuition. Some visual artists and musicians report experiencing synesthesia where they see sounds or hear colors, enhancing their artistic perception. The gifted brain is like a high-resolution camera that captures more detail and depth in every frame. While gifted individuals possess cognitive advantages, they may also face challenges such as heightened emotional sensitivity, asynchronous development, or difficulty in conventional learning environments. Their intense focus and deep thinking can lead to perfectionism or social difficulties requiring specialized support to maximize their potential. Understanding these trade-offs can help educators and psychologists create more inclusive strategies for nurturing talent. Studies show that gifted children are more likely to experience social isolation or anxiety due to their unique cognitive and emotional development. A high-performance sports car requires specialized maintenance to ensure optimal performance without burnout.